లవర్ కూడా అయితే.
I watch a lot of movies. I watch a lot of shows also, to be honest. In fact, I think I watch a lot of English shows. I watch a lot of English shows, and I try watching almost every single good movie which comes out there in Telugu. I've not been following as much in the last 2 years. Kani, yeah.
తెలుగులో మీరు లాస్ట్ చూసిన ఫిలిం ఏంటి?
అట్లా చెప్పలేమండి, చాలా చూసాము. అంటే there have been so many
మూవీ అలా.
ఓకే, ఈ మధ్యన అన్ని అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్లో వస్తున్నాయండి. సో ఐ వాచ్డ్ వి నానిది, వెరీ వెల్ స్క్రిప్టెడ్ మూవీ అండ్ వెల్ డన్. సో యా,
దట్ షుడ్ బి ఫేవరెట్ ఫిలిం.
ఓకే, ఇన్ టర్మ్స్, ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ అ లిటిల్ ట్రికీ అండి, ఎందుకంటే దేర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్, బట్ ఐ పర్సనలీ ఐఎమ్ అ క్రిటిక్ మై సెల్ఫ్. అంటే ఒక మూవీ అంటే ఒక మూవీలో ఐ ఎంజాయ్ ఏమంటారు the dramatic household movies also, and I love conceptual movies also. Okay. So in that sense, I absolutely love Leader of 2011. I've seen it so many times.
Yeah.
Because it's inspirational and it's sensible. It's realistic. But I like comedy flicks also. Like కొన్ని comedy flicks ఉంటాయి. For example, the new generation movies which are coming in, like Broche Vadevara, which was very recent. The Pelli Choopulu. If you see that kind of the segment, I watch that also. Commercial flicks, I like them anyway. Be it any other, be it let's say an Allu Arjun movie, be it a Mahesh Babu movie, and people and things of these sorts, they are fantastic too. So I personally am not a person in ఒకటే kind of movie చూస్తాను, సీరియస్ చూస్తాను, అవి చూస్తాను, అట్లా కాదు. I try watching everything. So.
మీ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో అండ్ హీరోయిన్ ఎవరు?
Okay, favorite hero in Bollywood is Ranveer Singh.
Okay.
And it's Priyanka Chopra in the heroines. Okay. In fact, Priyanka Chopra posted about me just a few days ago, which actually makes me really look forward to it. So Priyanka Chopra said in her last week Instagram and Twitter that this is one of the things which inspired her this week to do more in life. So I'm really happy because I watch every single Priyanka Chopra film on probably the first 2 days of whenever they release. In terms of Telugu ante, there's no one person ante, there's a lot of people, because I think I've hung out with enough number of fans from every single hero that I think I like them all. So I don't think I can take one name there. Yeah.
సో యూజువల్గా మీకు ఎలాంటి మూవీస్ నచ్చుతాయి అంటే, ఇప్పుడు మీరు చాలా చెప్పారు ఎవ్రీ జోనర్ మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారన్నారు, కానీ మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక మూవీ తీసుకుంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాన్నక ప్రేమతో మూవీ తీసుకుంటే అక్కడ కొంచెం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్, మైండ్ గేమ్ ఉంటుంది. సో మీరు అలాంటి మూవీస్ ఎక్కువ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారా, లేకపోతే డ్రామాటిక్ సంథింగ్?
I personally believe that see, for instance, for me, my favorite show of all times when it comes to being intricate and detailed, ante ee madhya kalamlo there's something which came called Dark in Netflix, and Sherlock Holmes is a old style idi. So I mean, I enjoy that kind of things. That's something which I do. Westworld, for that matter, that's another entirely beautiful show. But in movies, I personally prefer the more emotional connect, because I mean, akkada kuda, because my world is such. I mean, everything I do is usually this. So when I go to a movie, I would ideally want to put that away and go into something which is more humanly, and something which we all do at every point of time. So I do enjoy crime thrillers and detective movies which have a lot of clues and things planned out, and a lot of mathematics related movies. For example, one film which I absolutely expect everyone to see, Shakuntala Devi, I think everyone has seen right now. In fact, I've gotten my congratulations from the entire team of Shakuntala Devi movie. Sanya Malhotra, everyone has congratulated me, and probably we'll do a commercial also soon. But anyway, that's putting aside. But ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయి కదా, the movies like The Man Who Knew Infinity. I don't think a lot of people have watched this, but The Man Who Knew Infinity annadi, it's by an English director with Dev Patel. Dev Patel is the hero in the movie Slumdog Millionaire.
Yeah.
So they made a movie on Srinivasa Ramanujan's life. It's very well written and very well shown. It was a huge hit in the UK.
Okay.
In India, it wasn't a very big hit, but I think that's one movie which I absolutely love. The Theory of Everything, another Stephen Hawking life story. They are also fantastic. Okay. A Beautiful Mind. There are several movies which are absolutely beautiful in the way they are.
So మీరు ఫ్రీ టైంలో ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, లైక్ హాబీస్?
I try doing mental calculation and stuff like this anyway. I mean, I try making sure that I do it every time around something. నేను ఒక కార్ పక్కన నుంచి వెళ్తున్నానంటే ఒక కార్ ఈ కార్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబరా కాదా, నెక్స్ట్ కార్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబరా కాదా, ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది, బికాస్ ఇట్స్ అన్ ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ అట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే. సో ఒక క్విక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏంటంటే అండి, చిన్నపిల్లలప్పుడు వి ఆల్ డూ దిస్. మనం నడుస్తున్నప్పుడు పార్క్లో నేను ఈ స్క్వేర్స్లోనే కాళ్ళు పెడతాను, గడ్డి మీద కాళ్ళు పెట్టను అని చెప్పి అనుకుంటాం. వీ థింక్ బికాస్ కిడ్స్ లైక్ టు థింక్ ఆఫ్ ప్యాటర్న్స్. Kids look up into the sky and count the stars. అది మనం తర్వాత we think that it's foolish, but at some point we find it interesting. So there are a lot of things, activities which I do like this, but hobbies wise, otherwise I play a lot of video games. I watch a lot of shows. I love traveling a lot. ఈ కరోనా టైంలో కానీ తగ్గిపోయింది, కానీ I think if I won the Olympic championship like on a normal day, I would have probably gone for a 1 week entire vacation and then come back, because I absolutely love traveling. And I've been to 23 countries.
Yeah, 23 countries. That's not a small thing.
Yeah, and
How
I
many
tour.
languages do you know?
I speak only 3. I mean, to a certain extent 4, but it's only 3.
Telugu, Hindi, English.
Telugu, Hindi, English. I've done Sanskrit also to a large extent, but I'm not great at it. But yeah, 3 languages I can write, read, and speak. Yeah, so I mean, I love traveling a lot. In fact, that's something which I make sure I do. In fact, before the entire thing, I used to travel every 15 days for some show or the other across the country, across the globe also. Yeah, I mean, I think that's one of the best experiences I had. I mean, today, all my learnings are because of my exposure to mathematics and the world around me as cultures, as people, as societies, and you learn more and more and more.
ఓకే, సో మ్యాథమెటిషియన్తో మ్యాథ్స్ టెస్ట్ చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. సో ఇప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ విత్ మై క్వశ్చన్స్. 64 into 2,46,750 divided by 41,125 plus 865.
1249.
Yes. 68 into 4,97,472 divided by 62,184 plus 702.
1246.
కరెక్ట్
Correct
ఆన్సర్ చెప్పింది. యా 71 into 5,86,504 divided by 73,313 plus 368.
936.
Correct. Next one, 45 into 5,01,057 divided by 55,673 plus 990.
1395.
Yes. 35 into 2,60,575 divided by 52,115 plus 553.
728.
Correct. Next one, 41 into 6,39,567 divided by 71,063 plus 770.
1139.
Yes.
Yes. Actually, let's make this harder, ma'am. What you can do, you can open your calculator. Okay? So if your calculator is open,
Yeah.
Miru, what we can do is I will try racing past you.
Okay.
Okay? మీరు ఒక 2-digit number తీసుకోండి. యాక్చువల్లీ ఒక 3-digit number తీసుకోండి. 3-digit number.
3-digit
Yeah,
number.
ఏదైనా తీసుకున్నారా?
Yeah, 393.
ఓకే ఓకే
No, 9 అయితే ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది కదా. 373.
373. ఓకే. నౌ గివ్ మీ అనదర్ 2-digit number.
67.
ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే 373 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి
Okay.
67s యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతాను.
Okay.
సో 373 ప్లస్ 67 ప్లస్ 67 ప్లస్ 67 ప్లస్ 67 అట్లా వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటాను.
Okay.
నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు జస్ట్ టైప్ ప్లస్ 67 ప్లస్ 67.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. 373, 440, 517, 584, 651, 718, 785, 852, 919, 986, 1053, 1120, 1187, 1254, 1321, 1388, 1455, 1522, 1589, 1656, 1723, 1790, 1857, 1924, 1991, 2058, 2125, 2192, 2259, 2326, 2393, 2460, 2527, 2594, 2661, 2728, 2795, 2862, 2929, 2862, 2929, 2996, 3063, 3130, 3197, 3264, 3331, 338, 3398, 3465, 3532, 3599, 365, 3666, 3733, 3800.
ఓకే,
మీరు ఎంతవరకు వచ్చారు?
నేను అది కౌంట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే,
Hi, this is Navdeep, and please subscribe to Mirror TV. Thank you.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Mirrors.
Hi guys, please subscribe Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Pradeep Machraju. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.
And please do subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Noorun Sharif. I wish you all Mirror TV viewers subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Ankita Maharana. Please like, share, subscribe Mirror TV. Thank you.
Hello, andarki namaste. Nenu mi Savari Nandu. For a lot of interesting updates, please subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Nagashaurya, and please subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi, name is Jabardast Ramprasad. Please subscribe Mirror TV.
Please subscribe Mirror TV.
Hi guys, I'm Naveen Polishetty, and please subscribe to Mirror TV.
You're watching this on Mirror TV. Please like, share and subscribe.
You're watching this on Mirror TV. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hi guys, Nanumi Ruksha Dhillon. Please subscribe to Mirror TV. Thank you.
Please subscribe to Mirror TV. Thank you.